In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly navigate both Canva and Wix to create stunning designs and integrate them seamlessly into your website. Let's get started. First, head over to Canva by opening your web browser and typing in the URL. Canva is an incredible tool for creating a variety of designs, from social media posts to presentations. Once there, you'll need to locate your existing design. This is the project you've already been working on, so go ahead and open it up within Canva. Now that you have your design open, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Click on this to open up the menu options. From here, navigate down and select the option to download your design. You'll need to choose a file type that best suits your needs. For high quality images that might include transparency, such as a logo, opt for PNG. If you're going for a fast loading image for web backgrounds or banners, select JPG. For documents or print, PDFs are ideal, and if your Canva project includes animations or a video, go with MP4 or GIF. With your file downloaded, it's time to switch platforms to Wix, where we'll be uploading and placing your Canva creation into your website. Just open a new tab and log into your Wix account. Once logged in, you'll want to launch your Wix editor to begin working on your website. In the Wix editor, look to the left side of your screen and click on the media option in the menu. This will open up a variety of options for media uploads. Once you've done this, you'll see the Upload Media button. Click it and then select Upload from Computer to bring in your Canva file. It's important to ensure that your file uploads correctly, so make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection during this step. Now that your design is in the Media Manager, you'll be adding it to your Wix page. Depending on the type of media you've uploaded, the procedure changes slightly. For images, click on plus add and then image, select your Canva image and adjust its size and position. If you're applying a background, click on your page background and choose change background, then select image to find your Canva upload. For PDFs, upload them via the Media Manager and add a button or text link to connect to the PDF file. Finally, if you've uploaded a video, choose plus add and then video, then upload your MP4 and place it where you'd like it on your web page, and that's it. You've successfully integrated your Canva design into your Wix site. With these steps, you can effortlessly create beautiful, cohesive web pages that showcase your creative vision.